Operating a successful business today means having a solid social media marketing strategy. But with dozens of platforms, millions of users, and thousands of online competitors, navigating the tricky world of social media can seem overwhelming. This video will uncover a few social media marketing tips that can help your business succeed. Let's check it out. Use live video. On the cutting edge of the video trend on social media is live video. Snapchat, Facebook, and Instagram all use live video features. Live video can be a great way to keep your customers in the loop about the latest that's happening with your business, but it also needs some careful management. For instance, if you're interviewing people and someone says something unflattering during a live video, there's no editing to smooth the moment over. Make sure to pick your settings carefully and have fun with live video. Social messaging. Facebook Messenger, WhatsApp, and other social media messengers have become integral to social media engagement. They are one of the best ways to connect with your customers, and Facebook will even display how well your page responds to messages. A business wishing to be more connected with its customer base will want to make the most out of this feature. Use augmented reality. Augmented reality is the kind of technology you see in science fiction movies. You scan a page in a magazine, a flyer, or a poster with an app on your phone, and suddenly it transforms into a video or an interactive screen. There may be links or calls to action. You can even display a live Twitter feed. If you want your business to be on the cutting edge of marketing strategies, start looking into augmented reality. It's a great way to get customers engaged with your content, and it's a great way to show off your business in more depth than ever before. Customer experience marketing. Your business doesn't operate in a vacuum, and neither should your marketing strategy. If your customers are consistently running up against the same issues when dealing with your business, they're unlikely to come back or recommend your business to others. Customer experience marketing communicates with the customers to find out which parts of your businesses are working well for the end user and which parts need rethinking. Surveys and polls are great ways to approach this. Hyper-local marketing. No longer will generic mass marketing ads work. In a world where people can feel lost in the crowd, marketing that is individually targeted goes further towards earning customer loyalty. Hyper-local marketing focuses on just that, addressing emails to the recipient individually, making a note of previous purchases so you can market similar products to them in the future, and tailoring social media targeting to smaller groups of people are all ways to employ this strategy. Use current events. Connecting your social media marketing to current events can keep your social media profiles immediately relevant. It can also piggyback off an existing wave of cyber attention pouring onto a certain topic, helping to raise your engagement rates. For instance, with the new Avengers movie taking over theaters, if you own a fitness business, promote a weightlifting program that will let customers Hulk smash their fitness goals. And if you happen to own a dress business during the black and blue and white and gold dress meme of a few years ago, you practically had your marketing campaign already written for you. At the end of the day, social media marketing shouldn't feel like walking a tightrope across the Grand Canyon. Hopefully, this video shed enough light to get you excited about the possibilities of social media marketing. If you need help designing a strategy, don't hesitate to reach out to us. Visit our site today for more details. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.